Imagine waking up in a world where your most trusted digital companion has vanished. The day AI went silent. Millions of users found themselves staring at blank screens, their queries unanswered. How did we reach this point? What happens when the technology we rely on fails us? On December 11, 2024, at precisely 3:16 p.m. PST, a routine day turned chaotic. OpenAI's ChatGPT, along with its API and Sora services, faced a catastrophic outage. Users worldwide were greeted with the dreaded message, ChatGPT is currently unavailable. What does this say about our dependence on AI? Are we too reliant on these systems to function in our daily lives? As the news spread like wildfire, social media erupted. Over 28,000 complaints flooded platforms like Down Detector. Students unable to complete assignments, professionals missing deadlines. How many lives were disrupted in just 4 hours? Is our society too fragile, built on the whims of technology? OpenAI quickly identified the issue as stemming from a misconfigured telemetry service. But what does this mean for the future? In an age where technology evolves rapidly, can we afford such vulnerabilities? How can a simple configuration change lead to global chaos? The outage didn't just affect ChatGPT, it coincided with outages across Meta's platform, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, leaving millions disconnected from their social networks. Is this a sign that our digital infrastructure is more fragile than we thought? What happens when multiple systems fail simultaneously? Industry experts weighed in on the implications of such outages. Neil Riley from Salable warned that even brief interruptions could push users toward competitors like Google and Amazon. Are we witnessing the beginning of a shift in user loyalty? How long before users decide to explore alternatives? Users shared their frustrations online. One student tweeted, "I rely on ChatGPT for my studies. Now what am I supposed to do?" Another professional lamented about missing crucial deadlines. How do we quantify the impact of lost productivity? Is there a way to measure the emotional toll of such outages? In response to the chaos, OpenAI issued an apology and promised a full root cause analysis. But will this be enough to regain user trust? As Sam Altman stated earlier this month, our technology engages approximately 300 million active users weekly. Can they afford to lose even a fraction of that audience? This outage reignited debates about our growing dependence on AI technologies. As AI becomes integral to everything from customer support to content creation, how fragile is our reliance on these systems? Are we ready for a world where AI can just disappear? OpenAI has committed to improving its infrastructure to prevent future incidents. They plan better monitoring for infrastructure changes and phased rollouts. But is it enough? How can we ensure that such failures are less likely in the future? What role should transparency play in rebuilding trust? As users sought alternatives during the outage, turning to competitors like Microsoft Copilot and Gemini, what does this mean for an OpenAI's market position? Are we witnessing an era where loyalty is fleeting and easily swayed by service reliability? The emotional fallout from this outage was palpable. Users expressed feelings of anxiety and helplessness when faced with technology failure. How do we cope when our digital lifelines are suddenly severed? What does it say about our relationship with technology? As we reflect on the day AI went silent, let's consider what it means for our future. Are we prepared for more outages? How can we build resilience in our digital lives? Perhaps it's time to rethink how much we depend on technology, and how can we balance it with human ingenuity. In conclusion, while technology has transformed our lives for better, it also comes with risks that we must acknowledge. Let's learn from this experience and strive for a future where technology serves us reliably, without leaving us in silence.